Good morning and welcome to the 2026 King of Hammers race. This year we're racing in our new Polaris Pro R. We're super excited about it. We're just gonna go out there, we're gonna be careful, we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Hard right. Thank you.
I think that's the thing we started with. Once I pass it. Whoa. You alright?
Yeah. Big dip. Perfect.
Not a danger. Yep.
Really want to thank Sylvania Off Road for setting us up so we can do another season.
Awesome. Well, congratulations on getting to the finish. Hopefully we can see you guys back up here next year.